Yeah. All right. It's our first 2026 Mazda CX5 dealer trade. So we're getting the same vehicle. This is a premium. You can still see the black wheels, but the customer wanted the tan interior, so that'll kind of look different. Nice contrast. So let's get set up in here. Our office today, a 2026 Mazda CX5 premium at Mazda Crystal Lake, and we're headed to Brookfield, Wisconsin. Always love going to Wisconsin. But what's cool is I will get some real deal seat time here in the CX5. So thanks for tagging along, and let's get rolling. All right, so I'm paired. Take me to Hall Mazda, Brookfield, Wisconsin. Well, I'd like to say this is going well, but I've already got a warning, which is not a big deal. I'm sure if I shut it off and turn it back on, it's gonna be fine. It's kind of worrisome. And then I'm trying to sign in via Google or even get my Apple CarPlay maps or Android Auto Maps going, and it's a bear to get through this. Only one profile is allowed, or two, or it just keeps freezing up on this getting ready to sign in if I want to sign into my Google account. And my hand keeps coming over here like I can just go to the back screen or get out of whatever I'm in, but that's not the case, of course, with this tiny button right here. Push that. All right, let's change direction of where the air is coming out of. Just cycle it through. Okay, it disappears. This is, god dang it, this is an old dog new tricks thing. Take me to Hall Mazda.
Hall Mazda. All right.
Wait, let's turn it off and see if this goes away.
Exit the parking lot toward Ryland Drive.
Okay, so the warning light's gone. That's good. That's odd, though. Oh, Lord. Alright, first check-in after being in the car about 10 minutes already. We've got an hour and 20 to go, 54 miles. I reset the miles per gallon. So we'll see what we got on this 54-mile trip. And I haven't tried the music yet, but we do have the Bose sound system. So far I can say though, it's soaking up the bumps really well. It's got a longer wheelbase now, so that's always good for a nice smooth ride, increasing the wheelbase from its previous generation. And the interior's been really quiet. Alright, we got 45 miles to go, still over an hour to go, but I just realized I didn't put my plate on, so I was so frazzled by trying to sign in here that I forgot to put the license plate on. We are at 173 at Casey's cabin. Oops. Settings, vehicle, audio, there we go. Okay. Listening position, I want all seats. Automatic level control, that's fine. Both center point, I'm gonna leave that off. Alright, let's see what we got here. About 30.9 miles per gallon so far on this trip. I do like the ride.
Welcome to Wisconsin.
Hey, thank you. Alright, we're going back roads through Wisconsin, and there is this place called Stage Stop. If you haven't been, you gotta have dinner there sometime. It's been there for a long time, and you can go get a nice steak there and then run upstairs through the old preserved hotel setting that they have up there with some artifacts and things like that. What a nice day for a drive. Do have to say, I love that the 6-speed automatic is still here. Rev matching downshifts. And you can tell it is geared a little bit different. It's amazing that some of this power happens without a turbo. So naturally aspirated 2.5 carries over. But responding nicely to the inputs all around. Turn in and exit. Shifting if you'd like. There is a sport mode, you call it.
Love you. Hope the sunshine feels amazing. Do you want to reply?
Yes.
What's the message?
It does. Thanks, babe. Love you.
I got it does. Thanks, babe. Love you. Ready to send it?
No.
What's the message?
It does. Thanks, babe. Love you very much. Plus, you're hot, too.
I got it does. Thanks, babe. Love you very much. Plus, you're hot too. Ready to send it?
Yes.
At the stop sign, turn left onto East Racine Avenue.
Alright, approaching destination. Hall Mazda, Brookfield, Wisconsin. Thanks for Nick helping us out with this one.
After Hall Imports, turn right into the parking lot.
Got it. Their setup looks nice. They got more Mazdas than I do. Oh my gosh, do they have more Mazdas than I do. Yowza. Ooh, and they still got some 25 CX5s left. It's all good. Oh, it looks like they got it right up front for me. That's a nice deal.
Pretty clean for the year, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, got what we came for. This is the tan interior. Let's take another look at that as a contrast with the polymetal gray exterior. Kind of lightens it up in here. I like that. You really see it with the panoramic moonroof open. Now, one of my favorite things to show you during dealer trades is how much fuel is in these when they get delivered from the factory. He did give me fair warning that this was in need of a fuel stop. And it actually looks good to me. Oh boy. Google services. Thanks, Google. But we do have gas in this one, so that's nice. Thanks, Hall Mazda, for helping us out. Alright, just a quick check-in. I did forget to get the MPG off of the other car, but it was over 30 miles per gallon. Alright, so just like that, we're back in Crystal Lake, Mazda of Crystal Lake. I'm going to get this stocked in, and we can head to the next step, which would be prep and delivery. So the next time you see me will be a pre-delivery inspection on this 26 Mazda CX5. Polymetal gray exterior and tan Interior. I didn't know that a dealer would order this combination, but somebody wanted it and we got it for them. And I think it's a nice contrast. So thanks for watching and traveling with me. I'll see you in the next video.